How to bass boost Spotify iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to bass boost Spotify iPhone. To start, let's open Spotify. And from the home page, you should see your profile picture at the left top corner. Tap on your profile picture and you should see this. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. And on Settings, you should see Playback. Tap on Playback next. And on this page, just scroll down and look for equalizer. It's this one here. Tap on equalizer and you should see this page. Now, make sure the equalizer is on and then just tap on bass booster if you want a stronger bass for your Spotify music. So I'm going to tap on that. And as you can see, 60 hertz and 150 hertz went up. So if you want a stronger bass for your Spotify music, you can just increase them more. And it really depends on your preference. But after this, you can now just go back to your music and start playing, and you should notice the difference in your bass. And that's how easy it is to bass boost Spotify on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.